So today we'll be solving this input-output problem. The problem states complete the function print number which takes an integer input from the user and prints it on the screen. This is a simple problem. I'll be using Java as my language. So we have to just print the input to the output. We'll take the input from AC and print that, and we'll be given the input will be of integer data type. So we have to print back that same thing. So in Java, system.out.print input dot next int is the method name to be used to print out the given input number. Let us run this program. Okay, there is a compilation. Since int is a method, we have to cover it with braces. Let's run it again. Yes, accepted. So whatever the input was given, the output has been returned back. Let's submit this code. All the test cases passed. Thanks, friend.